an assignment in Evolve. To begin with, we'll go ahead and click on the module that we started in the previous tutorial. Click on Add Content, and in this case we're going to add a page. We will label the page and we'll want to probably provide a due date because this is an assignment. So we'll make it due 1 week from today. We'll want to assign a grade. So you may want to give it 100 points. You can determine whether this is going to be extra credit or not. And since we don't have any categories, actually we do have one category set up, but we'll go ahead and create a new one. And we'll want to assign a weight to this category, so maybe we'll make it 50% of the grade. You can password protect it. You might do this if you want to give access to students at a certain point without using the availability option, and you can simply tell them this is the password to get into the assignment at this point. So we'll go ahead, we could create a subtitle if we like, and could create some additional information, but we're going to put the actual assignment instructions into here. So and then we'll go ahead and hit save. And here we go, here is our assignment. Now there are many other ways of creating assignments using the tools that Elsevier provides with products, such as EAQ and SimChart. We will look at how to integrate those assignments in future tutorials.